guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ricky and I am a licensed cosmetologist. I am just starting out on my blogging, YouTube, and freelance hair and makeup career, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I curl my hair for every day. I have had a lot of requests in the past for this when I was doing live videos over on Facebook, and just in general comments. I've had a couple people ask me how I curl my hair, what I use. So if you want to see how I curl my hair for every day, then go ahead and just keep watching. I'm using my Paul Mitchell Ion Express Unclipped. Express Ion Unclipped. The Express Ion Unclipped 3-in-1 curling wand. This comes with 3 different attachments. I use the biggest one. This one is just a straight rod, while the other 2 are smaller and they're tapered. So I like to use this one. I use it every single time I curl my hair. I absolutely love this, and I will link this down below. So the first thing I do is separate my hair into 2 sections, left and right. I don't separate anything from the top. I just do these 2 sections and start from there. The first thing I'll do is take a small back section, kind of back here behind my ear, and I do all my curls facing outward. I hold those for about 20 seconds. I don't really count, I just hold them. Sometimes I'll feel, and when the hair on the outside starts to get hot, that's when I take it off. So I just keep separating my hair into small-ish pieces. I don't do the same width of hair strands all the way around my head. And just hold that for about 20-ish seconds. Like I said, sometimes I'll go up here and feel, and just keep working around the head. Making sure to always curl towards the back, away from your face. A lot of people I know do curl away from the face and towards the face. Me personally, I don't like any curls coming towards my face. It drives me nuts when it touches my face and my neck, so I don't really like it. I curl backwards, away from my face, every single time. So after you see me curl a couple pieces, it's pretty much self-explanatory. The biggest thing is figuring out how you like to section off your hair. For years, I was sectioning my hair off into 3 sections from the top. I'll show you here in a second. And then I just kind of place them how I want. But like I was saying, for years, I would section it off into like a bottom section here, a middle section here, and I would clip off from the top. Around probably March of this year, actually I was getting ready for my baby sprinkle for my second kid, my son. I curled my hair this way and figured out that I loved it, and now when I try to separate my hair into the 3 sections, top, middle, and bottom, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's too curly for me. I like more waves, I guess, than curls. Kind of like beachy waves, I would say. And then just start working to the front section. I have a lot of layers. I have a lot of face framing layers. My hair is kind of weird in that aspect. I've been trying to grow it out for years, and it just drives me nuts, and I end up getting cut. I end up getting more layers cut into it, but I don't really like wearing my hair straight a lot of the times, because where I live there's a lot of humidity, and my layers, like I was talking about, just start to flip out and it doesn't stay straight for very long. So when I curl my hair, it stays a lot longer, so I prefer to have my hair curled. I don't always have time to with 2 kids, but when I curl my hair, it also stays curled for a couple days. I usually only wash my hair about once a week. But lately I've been having to wash it just about every single day because for some reason my scalp is just so itchy. And I got some tea tree and mint shampoo. It's been helping a little bit, but I don't know if it's because the summer or what's going on. I usually do get a dry scalp in the wintertime, but I've never had it happen in the summer, so I don't know if it's just me getting older or what is going on. But it's been driving me nuts because I don't like washing my hair very often. It's a pain in the butt. It's long and it's thick, and I have to blow dry it because my hair is naturally wavy, and it just drives me nuts. Okay, so when I get to the front right here, I don't curl all the way up here like I've been doing. I go down a little bit more towards the middle of the hair shaft. That's just because I don't want my curl to be all the way up to the top of my forehead. It'd be like a little spring. It would be super annoying. I'm really weird about how my hair touches my face. I don't like it. Normally when I'm home, it's always up in a crazy bun, not even a cute messy bun. It's just ridiculous. So I usually let these curls sit and cool down for just a second. I wait until I finish curling my entire head, and then I brush them out with my fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and show you guys how I do that. So the same thing as the other side, I just start separating from like back here behind my ear. I don't have a whole lot of hair on this side because I have such a deep side part, so it really only takes me like maybe 2 minutes to curl this side. But the same thing, just curl away from the face, hold it for about 20-ish seconds, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up because like I said, it is pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So I'll see you guys in a second. I did want to mention too that I don't curl all the way down to the end. I leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of hair, the little tail end here. I leave it off the curling iron. That just makes it beachy and looser. I don't really like springy tight curls. That's why I brush it out. And I actually don't really even prefer my hair the first day I curl it. I like to sleep on it and let it fall out a little bit, and then I really like it the second day. Okay, so after I let this side sit for just a second and let it set into place, I'm going to brush it out with my fingers just a little bit because like I said, I like sleeping on it and letting it fall out that way. I don't really like my hair the first day I curl it just because I'm weird and I really don't like my curls to be curly. I like them wavy. So I just brush them out just a little bit with my fingers. Go back and curl this straight piece because I don't have my glasses on and can't see what I'm doing in the mirror. Okay, let's see. So I really don't like using a lot of hairspray, especially since I don't wash my hair every single day. But I will just use any hairspray of your choice. Just spray it. Like I said, I don't really like hairspray, so I'm not going to spray it a whole lot. If I am going out, though, if I know I'm going to be out for a long time, for like a party or a get-together, I'll spray it a lot more. But for just not doing anything, I don't really like a lot of hairspray. I don't like the crunchiness. I don't like the feel of it. I am not really a hairspray girl. And that is it. It is super quick. It's super simple. It's easy to catch on once you see somebody do it. If you guys like this video and would like to see more, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see every single video that I post, go ahead and hit the little bell button down below as well. That way it'll tell you every single time I post a video. I can't wait to start filming videos in my newly painted room. It is not complete yet. I don't have all the decorations and furniture and everything I want in here, so just bear with me as the scenery changes just a little bit as I make this my own, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!